Hi, I welcome you to ABMF Education. We are looking at SAT questions. Today we are looking at factoring the difference of two squares. We're going to look at all the instances that they can bring in the SAT. So stay tuned with us. Subscribe if you haven't done so, like, and leave us a comment. So in this question here, you have to be really good with your binomial expansion if you know that it will make things easier for you. So we have been given this, that, and they want us to find it. So let's see how we can go about this. So let's go ahead and expand this. If we use a binomial, you will get x squared plus 2xy and then plus y squared. Let's substitute what we have. So we have been given this one. This is 3, 2, 4 is equals to x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. That's the first one. Let's take this one here. X minus y all squared. Let's go ahead and expand it. So we are expanding it with the Pascal triangle binomial expansion. So here it's going to be x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. This one has been given as 16. Then x squared plus y squared minus 2xy. So here, realize that in this question we have x squared plus y squared, x squared plus y squared. So we can do something about it. We cannot add it and then get rid of this 2x plus y because that's what we want to find. That's where the question wants us to find. So we can't do that. So we're going to isolate the x squared plus y squared in each equation. So equation 1 and there's equation 2. So equation 1, if we isolate the x squared plus y squared, we will get equals to 324 minus 2x1. This is equation 1 star. And then from equation 2, we can also get y squared plus x squared plus y squared equals to 16 plus 2xy. And we can call it 2 star. Now, so we can equate the two. So let's go ahead and equate the two. So we can say that 324 minus 2xy must be equals to 16 plus 2xy. If that is the case, we can bring this one here and take this one over there. So when this one come here, it's going to be 2x1 minus another 2xy equals to 16 minus 324. Okay, from here we have negative 4xy equals to negative 308. Divide both sides by negative 4 so that you can get what you're looking for. And then xy is equals to 77. And that give you the answer. Factoring of the difference of two squares. They like this kind of question. So now we're going to look at all the three instances that it can bring. So stay tuned with me. Go ahead, subscribe. So here we are going to start from here. So we're going to expand this binomial expression over here. We have x minus y all squared. If you know the binomial, it will be so easy, as I have already said in my videos. I'll attach that one to that so that you can use it moving forward. But we can also, it's repeated, so we can write it repeated and then we can use FOIL, meaning that if we take this one, we will multiply it to the second one here, and then you take this one, which is negative y, and then you multiply it again with this one to x minus y, and then you're going to distribute this times this one. Will give you x squared negative xy, negative times this one, it's going to be negative y x. Negative negative become positive y squared. Here, using the commutative law is the same as that. This is a light term, we combine it. I'm taking you through the basis so that you can see all that. Now you have all the components that you need. So we have been given this and we have been given this. So let me bring this one closer. Y minus x all squared gave us x squared plus this y squared minus 2xy. Okay, we have been given all the figures, so let's go ahead and plug it and then find our answer. So this has been given us 10 and then minus 2. The whole of this has been given as negative 3. So you get your 10. Negative times negative become positive. Ta-da! You get 16 and it's option B. Okay, so let's look at how we can able to do this one. For this one too, let's work from here. You can even pause the video and see if you can do it. Looking at here, we have to look at what they have been giving us. Then we have to do it as such. So this one, we can solve it as a difference of 2 squares. You can write x minus y and then multiply x plus y. That's the difference of 2 squares. And that will make the work much easier. We have been given the minus, which is 4, so it's just 4. And then times 10. And to get that. Okay, so you have to know the instances where which you're supposed to apply.